In Fairfax County Public Schools, we value and celebrate the diversity that each of our students brings to our school system. Our student population comes from all over the world, and when they embark on the school enrollment process, the staff at the Dunn Loring Center for Parent Services is there to assist. Recently, I had a chance to visit and tour the center with Joanne Chen, coordinator of student registration.
So I always call this Joanne's Ellis Island of Fairfax County Schools because so much happens here at Dunn Loring. So what happens right here?
Well, you're absolutely right. A lot happens here. There's a lot of folks that come in through us. Families that have another language other than English or in addition to English come to register here.
So they don't go to their school to register?
They do not. They come here, and we have so many parent services right here at Dunn Loring, so it's almost a one-stop shopping for them.
The primary focus of the registration staff at Dunn Loring is to provide enrollment services for students who speak a language at home other than or in addition to English. However, the registration process also includes services for those who require special enrollment assistance, such as foreign exchange students, students whose natural or legally adoptive parents do not reside in Fairfax County, tuition-paying students, and students in foster care. The first part of the enrollment process is the English Language Learner Assessment.
So here's where they get evaluated, correct?
Yes. So the teacher is working with the students one-on-one, and they're going through the assessment for listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Okay, and that will determine their ESOL level, and that determines their eligibility for ESOL services, which is directly at the school.
So some students may have English proficiency and not have ESOL services, and this determines the level of ESOL services that they will receive in Fairfax. Okay.
If they're eligible for ESOL services, an overview of what ESOL services are provided to the parent, and also a handbook is provided to provide additional information. If students will be receiving ESOL services, then they will be learning English through the content areas of language arts, math, science, and social studies. And that approach has been very successful in Fairfax County Public Schools for our students developing their English language proficiency. What our results show us is that students who have received ESOL services and have become English proficient score at or above the rate of their other English proficient peers in all content areas.
While the students are testing, the parents are invited to speak with an on-site community liaison.
The community liaison welcomes the families to Fairfax County Public Schools and to Fairfax County, and is also able to provide a variety of types of information about school and community resources. So for school resources, the community liaison can provide information about how to connect with the school-based parent liaison that can provide specific information about school offerings, but also information about school programs such as eligibility for advanced academic programs, special education, world languages offered at the elementary level, and a variety of other school-based programs. For community resources, the parent liaison can provide a wide variety of different types of information. They can provide information about before and after school care for students, preschool programs, such as programs for parents about developing students' early literacy and school readiness skills. They can also provide information to parents about public libraries, parks and recreational centers, community centers, and summer programs for their students.
Several other services provided at Dunn Loring include the Family and Early Childhood Education Program. FCPS is a free child development program for pregnant women and children aged birth to 5 from income-eligible families. Parents and community professionals work with program staff members to provide comprehensive services that address children's educational, social, health, nutritional, and emotional needs. In addition, the Early Childhood Identification and Services Program, or ChildFind, services children ages 2 to 5 who have been identified as having significant developmental delays.
Joanne, We register students, we screen, assess students, we have a community liaison, but it doesn't stop there, right? There's other resources that we want to make sure that parents have to support them and their students. So where are we now?
This is the Parent Resource Center, which is known as the PRC. And as you can see right here, this is an extensive lending library for parent resources and materials. They also offer classes, parent education, orientations. They have workshops that promote the awareness for parents regarding children who have special needs.
There are a lot of workshops that go on here, as well as the staff plans for workshops in other places. But parents can come here to find help for parenting around behavior, healthy habits, how to help your child with homework. It's just a whole range of topics, a lot of it based on what parents are asking for to support them in having their children be really successful in school.
That is absolutely correct. There's also a network of referrals here that parents can find information. We even have computer access for parents so they can do research. And not only for parents and their families, but also we have staff members coming here looking for information and resources as well.
In addition to the Dunn Loring Center, FCPS also operates student registration centers located at the South County Government Center and the Lake Ann Reston Center. These centers are open year-round to meet the needs of our incoming families.
As parents arrive at our student registration sites, we want to make sure we can provide them with not only a welcoming atmosphere, but also as many resources as they may need to initiate their time here in Fairfax County. So we try to provide as many interrelated resources as possible together in one location so that the parents have ease with facilitating accessing the resources. And so this has been a great benefit to provide a variety of resources together in one location for parents as they begin their journey here in Fairfax County Public Schools.